Hey there, Mr. Vineyard here. I just want to take a minute and welcome you to Vincennes University. Welcome to this beautiful fall 2023 semester and manufacturing processes lecture. The reason for this video is I just want to take a quick moment to talk about this class. Obviously, you're going to meet in the lab area for your lab and you're going to be hands-on and you're going to do a lot of stuff there, but there's also this lecture portion that you have to keep up with. The lecture portion is very laid back. There's a lot of information we're going to cover, but for the most part, you shouldn't find it too taxing on you as long as you take the time to watch the videos, do the quizzes, and just really absorb the information. There's nothing that should be super difficult. You should be able to do the lecture modules, do the lab modules, and basically you're going to, like I said, you're going to watch the information, you're going to fill out the questions that we have on the quizzes, and a lot of times I recommend to students that, maybe have two windows open and have the questions open in one window and watch the video in the other. That way you can answer them as you go. So let's go ahead and get started here. I'm going to switch over and we're going to take a look at my screen here. So where you're going to start out is your MyVU login. You're going to go to Blackboard. This new landing page is pretty nice. There's one thing I do want to always point out. The first thing I like you to do is make sure that you have your desired email address here. This is basically going to be how the communication that I have with you goes. So you definitely need to have your your email address here. All right, make sure you have that. Once you have that, you can go to courses, and we're going to go to the manufacturing processes course. Okay, so right now this course is opened up. This video is going to be posted under course documents. Your first attention thing you want to do, the first thing I'd like you to do is check out the syllabus. Review the syllabus, read through it. If you have any questions, shoot them my way. If you read through it and everything looks good and you don't have any questions, then go ahead and do the syllabi review and attendance acknowledgement. What this does is it's going to give you basically 50 points out of 50. I believe it's 50 out of 50. As I say that, I'm going to go ahead and do it real quick. I'm going to confirm that I've reviewed it. And I'll hit OK. And there we go, 50 out of 50. That's your first grade. 50 out of 50 for taking the time to review the syllabus. And those are your points to keep. You get to keep those. Those are going to help your average at the end. Really, there's no attendance in this. I will reach out and say, hey, I see that you haven't got assignments XYZ done, and those are really several weeks behind us. We really need to try to play catch up, and I'll communicate with you as the semester goes. I do that a lot as a class as a whole, but if I see somebody that's really falling behind, I'll reach out to you individually and we'll have a conversation to try to figure out what we need to do to get you back on track. So make sure you do that. Like I said, this video, if you want to watch it again, it's going to be right here, this Welcome to Manufacturing Processes video, so you can do that. And then, of course, the faculty tab, this has my contact information here, how you can reach out to me. Email is the best way to reach out to me. So if you shoot me an email, I can get back with you. If you need a quiz reset or something like that, you can do that. Now, I will tell you this. If you take the quiz the first time and maybe you missed more questions than you wanted to, take it again. They are turned on to where you can take them as many times as you like, and it will take your highest grade. So you can take the quiz once, twice, 3 times, however many times your heart desires, until you land on the grade that you're after. Make sure you take some notes, record what you do. When you get a wrong answer, that's not it. Mark it down, and review the material and make sure you get the best grade possible. That's the goal here. So contact information, my office hours. If you need to come see me in person, you can go there and you can see what my office hours are. I'm in the technology building. I'm here a lot, so you should be able to find me pretty easily. Or if you reach out to me via email, obviously, then we can set up a meeting time. Your lecture modules. So right now, yours is going to look like this. Lecture module 1's here, 2, and video module 2. So as these modules turn on, week to week, they're going to turn on. They're going to stay above this line right here. All modules above this line must be done before midterm. That means eventually you're going to see modules start showing up below the line. When the ones below the line start showing up, those are for after midterm. You can complete them before midterm, but your midterm grade will be based on everything above this line right here, this module right here, okay? Where it says all modules above this line must be done before midterm. All right? And like I said, this class is not meant to be difficult. It's meant to give you a lot of information. The first one, we're talking about measurement tools, and then we got the milling machine, and then we got the history of the assembly line. So the first 3 videos are up. You can do those as quick as possible if you like, or you can spread them out and do like one every couple days and just work through it until you get caught up, and then make sure you're checking in every week to see if there's anything new. I will send out announcements whenever I post when new stuff's being turned on. I'll send out an announcement, but also in the syllabi, it does have a calendar. I'm going to go to it real quick. There is a course calendar kind of giving you the breakdown of these. Now, I will tell you, the lecture modules leading up till midterm, they are all on come by midterm. So modules are going to turn on way before these start dates. All right, they'll turn on way before this. These are just the weeks we recommend you try to have them completed by. All right, if you turn in something past a due date, have no fear. Once a week I go in and I go through and I grade those. I have to manually accept those. I will do that. I don't take any credit away, so you won't lose any points. If it's been a couple weeks and you see that you've submitted something and your grade still hasn't plugged in, shoot me an email. Just give me a little bump. Say, hey, Mr. Vennard, I did this homework assignment and I still don't have a grade. Just wondering what's going on. We'll see if we can figure out what's happened. It could be just the fact that I might have gotten busy and I forgot to go on and click the button. So have no fear. I'm here to work with you. I'm here to help you out. If you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out to me. And we want to make sure you're successful in this class and you're able to retain as much information, but really just have a broad spectrum of all the different processes involved in manufacturing. So if you have any questions, I look forward to talking to you, and feel free to reach out to me. And everybody have a wonderful semester.